Hello, and welcome to this feature spotlight. In this video, we will dive into a powerful new update, Aircall integration with BoldDesk. If your team handles customer support calls, this feature is designed to make call management faster, smarter, and efficient in BoldDesk. With the Aircall integration, you can now make and receive calls directly within BoldDesk, automatically log call details and support tickets, access call recordings for better follow-ups, and track call metrics and agent performance in one place. To get started, log into the admin page in your BoldDesk account, emphasizing admins, as only admins can perform integrations. Next, in the admin page, scroll down and select the Marketplace option. Here, I select the Aircall application and click Install. I'll be redirected to the Aircall login page to log in or sign up for a new account to connect with the BoldDesk account. Once logged in, I can grant the necessary permissions for the integration and choose the Aircall numbers to connect to BoldDesk. These numbers will be used whenever a customer calls with a support request. After authorizing, I enter the BoldDesk API key and click Verify and Continue. If you don't have an API key, check out the description below. You can also select the How to Find Your BoldDesk API key option for quick access. Then, choose how you want to handle the Aircall information. You can create a ticket or an activity. This ensures that caller info, duration, and recording are maintained in the ticket or activity. In the Permission tab, select appropriate roles for access and save the changes. With that, Aircall is successfully integrated with BoldDesk. You can verify or modify the integration by going to the Aircall application tab on the admin page. Next, to map Aircall IVR phone numbers in BoldDesk, navigate to my Apps section and select the Aircall app to open its configuration page. Next, choose the Manage option and click the Add Aircall Number button to open the Add Contact window. Enter the identification name and choose Aircall Number from the drop-down menu. Next, select the brand, category, and group to associate with the Aircall number and click Save to complete the process. Tickets or activities created from this number's actions will automatically be assigned to the selected brand, group, and category. An icon for the Aircall application will be displayed at the bottom left corner of the agent portal. You can now make and receive calls directly from BoldDesk. Click the Aircall icon to open the Aircall widget, where you must sign in to your Aircall account. Enter email and password and click Sign In. Next, search for the name or enter the desired phone number and make the call. Alternatively, you can initiate a call from the ticket details page or the contact details page. This is just one of the many enhancements. If you found our video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.